in this frigid temperature. Yes. Is your heat keeping you warm enough in your vehicle? Is it blowing cold air instead of that nice warm air? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center, and this is Stephanie.
Hi. There could be many different reasons for your heat not working in your vehicle, such as number 1, low on coolant.
Number 2, a clogged heater core, since coolant goes from the engine to the heater core that blows hot air. Your heater core is like a radiator, and it has the job of making the defroster and the heat work.
Or number 3, your control knobs or your buttons could be broken and not able to turn on the heat.
Ooh. Thermostat number 4, not working because the thermostat's job is to control the engine's running temperature so coolant can travel to the heater core. A thermostat stuck open, that's going to cause the engine to run cold, causing no heat.
Ooh. And number 5, possible coolant leaking from hoses, radiators, or water pump, which can affect your heat from not working.
So next time you turn on those controls to get heat in the car and it doesn't work, have it diagnosed so you stay warm in your vehicle.
Thank you for watching and like us on Facebook. Share the information with others because no one should be cold while in their vehicle.
Ooh, no way.